dark already, but I'm going to harvest the tomatoes. These tomatoes for dinner. We are going to have a like more of like kind of like tapas, like small serving dinner. So these are tomatoes, and then I have some peppers there too, and more tomatoes on the other side. So let's harvest the padron peppers. Here you go. Then let's harvest the ripe ones of this like kumquats. Plum. See the ripe ones here, but it's dark already. Those are ripe, and then this one too. This is beautiful. Look, the tomatoes here, the ripe ones. This one too, and then here I see one here that maybe 2 or 3 that are ripe. This one is not that ripe. The kumquats and then the tomatoes are almost the same colors. So here's our harvest tonight. Beautiful. I am preparing our dinner. I have here chicken wings that I marinated in lemon that I harvested from the garden. I'm going to harvest a lemon to make a marinade for our chicken wings. And then ribeye steak and the harvest from the garden. I have plums, tomatoes, kumquats, peppers, padron peppers, and yeah, that's it. And oh, blueberries. And then for this, I am trying to copy the tapas that we had at Ikimet in Barcelona. This is loquat, anchovy, and something else in the middle. You have to eat it together. Sweet and salty and a little bit sour. This is foie gras and chestnut. So I have a jar of peaches here, chestnuts, artichoke, peppers, roasted peppers, and then anchovies. I'll cook the chicken here on the air fryer. It's faster to cook here. The chicken wings, the marinated chicken wings. I'm also going to harvest some rosemary for our steak. Like this one. Growing herbs will save you a lot of money. Oh, I think those are parrots. I'm not sure. Or sparrow. No, not sparrow. Swallows. Swallows probably too. This like rosemary started with like kind of like a twig. Now look at how big it is. Chicken wings are done, so let's move on to the steak. Let's wait until this is like really hot, so it would sear the meat right away and the juice won't come out. This should be hot enough, so let's grill. You can put like rosemary. So to purify the air, I use an air purifier. This works really great in purifying the air, and because it's like dual filter. I have a video of this, and I'm going to put the link down below. And it's not that expensive. It's great to have in the kitchen if you are cooking. Here's the chicken. Let's harvest some thyme and lemon to garnish this. This is the thyme. This is good with the... Should I garnish this? Or maybe let's do oregano instead. This is oregano. This is what I'm going to harvest for our chicken. Smells so good. And let's harvest this like lemon to garnish. So we can squeeze the lemon too. Makes me, the lemon is mouth watering. Makes your mouth, like the smell of the lemon makes your like mouth water. There you go. Just like a rustic garnishing. This one I need to slice. This one too. And then let's garnish this with more rosemary. Now let's prepare the peaches. Here's the peach. I'm going to open this anchovy. So the sweet peach and then the a little bit salty anchovy. They are very good together. They taste great together. Oh, this is huge. Probably need to slice this in half, topped with anchovy. Like that. At Kimet Ikimet, they used foie gras, but we don't have foie gras, so we'll just use this truffle mousse pate. This one.
Same JD. Oh, be careful ha, to 1868 ha.
Here is the pate. Let's slice this into like this size. This is chestnut. We bought this from Barcelona. I'm going to look for the wine that we are going to drink. We're going to have white wine. We have the red wines here, the white wines here. Probably not this one. Probably more of like a fruity one. We have this, maybe this one. This one? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll have this one. I think this is from, I don't know where. Dinner is almost ready. Here's the steak. Here's the chicken. And then the bell peppers. And then the artichoke. Come here, Josh.
We're having chicken, steak, plum, peach with anchovies, chestnuts with
Truffle mousse.
truffle mousse. We've got
Artichokes.
and
Roasted bell peppers.
yummy.
When your name is called, please come up. And for our high honors, Joshua.
I got the principal's award, Mommy.
Wow, congratulations, Josh.